Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I am going to make an attempt to install this glueless wig. So right now you see me just using these T-pins just to keep the lace in place so that I can start bleaching the knots. Okay, so this is the type of lightener I'm going to use, along with a 20 volume developer. And I'm just going to mix it and make sure that you get like a thick consistency, like almost like a toothpaste consistency, because you don't want it to like bleed through your lace. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep the wig this color. I actually wanted it lighter, like I was going for like a fall type color, like a ginger brownish color. So that's what you guys see me doing now. And please do not do what I just did in this video. Please wear your gloves. I was just literally being lazy and I did not wear gloves while I was using the lightener. And my hands, like after I was done with this, I had to move so fast. After I was done, my hands were like on fire. So please don't do this because you will get chemical burn. Just wear your gloves. Don't be like me. Okay, so this is me showing y'all my custom hairline. I had to customize it because I actually have a widow's peak, so I wanted to look natural as possible. If you would like to see a video of how I customize my hairline, just let me know down below in the comment section. And I just got my cartilage pierced, so that's why you see me saying ouch. I was in so much pain trying to be careful and put this cap on. Okay, so I'm using the Got To Be Ultra Glue, the gel, because I could not find my freeze spray, but I did end up finding it like after I was done with everything else. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. As I said before, this is an attempt. I never did a lace front before. Even though yes, I am a professional hairstylist, but that's something that I just never tried to do on other people. So I just wanted to try it on myself. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any pointers of something I should do better next time, because I definitely will try this again. But yeah, keep watching. Oh, and here I'm only securing down my air tabs. Since it is a glueless wig, I really don't need too much security. This is how I've seen other people do glueless wigs, so I'm not sure if this is the right way, but it did end up working for me. I can say the baby hairs was definitely the hardest part for me. It wasn't as easy as doing like your own baby hairs. It was, for me, it was harder to do baby hairs on the wig than like on your natural hair. But I ended up getting it together though. Okay, so right now I'm just adding some extra body because the wig is a little thin. But I mean, so far I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. What y'all think? I don't know, but I would definitely try this again. Definitely. So after this, I'm just gonna show y'all little pics of how I styled it and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.